Hello, hello. I almost went downstairs. I did. But decided that I should do something here. If ds does not equal 0, then x, I'm gonna have to do this, equals x. Where's the plus sign? Where's the plus sign? Oh, there it is. Plus 1. Oh, looks like the semicolon is also stuck down. All right. I don't want to do the colon, but I'm going to, because I can pop it up again. Colon. Print. X. Semicolon. Oh, I gotta do the quote. Oh, that didn't stick. Maybe the keyboard is just a little wonky on the one side. Errors. Ooh. Quote. Now, I don't want to do that again, so 22, 32. See, I could do these in Go subs, but I will. 62. Oh, hi, David Bradley here. I'm just writing a little program to test this drive here. I could do more. I could. Oh, you know what? It may never end up printing that. Let's try that. No, it's never going to end up printing that because it's after. Oh, you see how programs get bigger. It is after the if. And if the if is not met, it will not do it. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to change this to line 23. And then 33. And then 63. And then if I run it, it'll tell me there have been 0 errors. I could do more on this. I could add in a counter for however many times. See, this is where I should do it in the Go sub. However many times it goes through this whole thing. I could AT J equals, and of course it's stuck. Da, 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 J plus 1. What have I got? Oh, the semicolon is stuck. Oh, yeah. $90. Go to 10. Now, I've got to go back up here. putting out of quote semicolon J semicolon quote attempts quote, and then I'll redo this line 33. Oops. 23. And then I'll clear the screen, type in run, see if it works. 0 errors out of 0 attempts. Okay. Fine. I'm not going to list this whole. Anyway, basically, this quick little nothing program is now keeping track of how many times it runs through the whole thing, how many errors it gets, etc., 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 and it will tell me these things. So now I can type run on this fine 8032, and it is going to tell me 0 out of 0, and out of attempts, because it hasn't added anything. Did I put a go-to in there? I would like to think so. I'll know in a second. If I didn't put a go-to to go back to 10, and I think I did, then we're not going to get very far. It's not going to go there. Remember, programming is just basically, no pun intended, breaking down things into tiny little segments. You have to tell it everything you want it to do. Everything at all. Power supplies in the back. It's got lots of vent holes, but still, there's not tremendous airflow. All right. Let's see. Well, just check the phone. Check the phone. Check the phone. Where are we? Okay, so it is indeed. Stop doing what I have told it to do. So when I come back up here, it will tell me out of the error, how many errors it's had, and how many times it's run to run through the whole program. So now I can type in cont, C-O-N-T, and it will continue. And now it is formatting. All right. That's it for now. I should, of course, save this program so I don't have to do it again. But I can't do it on the disk that is formatting. Well, I can, but then if it gets stuck in the middle of formatting, it'll be gone. I will save it on another disk. All right, no more. No more, no more. I'm going downstairs. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.